Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Today I'm going to show you how I squeeze and store my lemons for later use. When lemons are in season, I always stock up on them because I love drinking lemonades during the summer. And then also I do use some lemon juice in several of my dishes. So I learned to squeeze my lemons and then freeze them for later use, and it still keeps the same flavor and taste. I'm going to show you how I do it step by step. Let's get started. First, you want to wash and squeeze your lemons and get all the lemon juice. These lemon cubes are so handy to use. You can use them for salads or for drinks, or even when you're making any stews that require lemon juice. And what I love about this is that they're in little cube size, so you can use as many as you need. Sometimes I even add a cube to my water to make lemon water. So after you're done squeezing all your lemons, get some ice cube trays just like this and pour your lemon juice in the trays. Put them in the freezer and wait on them for at least 24 hours. Then pop them out of the tray and put them in a freezer bag. And when you're ready to use them, just take as many cubes out of the bag as you need and then keep the bag frozen in the freezer. Thanks for watching my lemon tutorial video. I hope you use this idea at home.